In this video, let us see how to make yourself a tiny little Bluetooth dongle that can be powered using a 9-volt battery and plugged into any wire speaker or an aux pin into a wireless speaker. At first, we shall take a look at this tiny little Bluetooth module worth 50 rupees with model number as CA6928. This module actually fits the size of my thumb, and it consists of 5 pins in which the left out and the right out are the two channels from which audio is shared from your phone to the Bluetooth module with reference to the analog ground. The VCC and the ground pin are applied with a potential difference of around 9 volt from the 9-volt battery, and this is the 3.5 mm female jack. First leg from the top will be connected to analog ground, the middle leg will be connected to the right channel of the Bluetooth, and the last leg will be connected to the left channel of the Bluetooth.
After soldering the VCC and ground pin to the 9-volt battery connector and remaining 3 pins of the Bluetooth to the respective pins of 3.5 mm audio jack.
Both the Bluetooth and 3.5 mm jack can be housed above the 9-volt battery connector with the help of a piece of double-side tape.
Power on. Connected.
Let us check whether 12. It is mentioned in the internet that Node MCU can withstand up to 12 volt. To check it out, let us first upload the basic blink program in the Node MCU. Now we can notice that the Node MCU blinks its LED with a delay of.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find something interesting in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos.